Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.